Hello everyone and welcome to my new video where I will walk you through how to copy and paste data from Power BI to Excel file. Now why this tip is very useful, because often you will get a data set that is not formatted, data types are not set correctly, and in one word it's lousy. And like in my example, I have a whole data set stored only in one column. And as you can see on the right side, I have applied some steps and modified this table and make it perfect. Now, I would like to export this data to Excel file. The easiest way how you can do this is by, let's close Power Query and let's go to table view. Now select table you want to export, click on it, and then select, right click, select copy table, and then open Excel file, select first cell and just paste the data. And here, as you can see, I have all columns, everything is formatted as in my Power BI file. I hope this video will help you. If that's the case, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in one of my next videos. Bye.